Check that out.
Hey, TikTok. If this is your first time coming across any of my videos, let me introduce myself. My name is Jesse, and I'm the owner of Country Lather Soap Works, based out of South Mississippi. I specialize in goat's milk and shea butter handcrafted soap. This particular batch of soap is 32 pounds of Seaside Escape, my most popular, best-selling soap I have on my website. Just check out the swirls on top of that soap. Gorgeous. And right here I'm doing what's called a textured top, or what I call it, a live edge soap. You know, you've seen those shelves in different houses. It's got that retains the natural shape of the wood. It's called a live edge. So that's what I call my soap. It's got a live edge to it. But here in just a minute, as soon as I get this dimpled up, we're going to take this slab of soap and we're going to cut it into loaves.
Tap the screen
right there, we've got that slab of soap and we're going to cut it into 5 separate loaves, and then from there on we're going to cut it into bars. This batch of soap, it's got a neat swirl to it to make it look kind of like ocean water, or what I would think ocean water would look like. I live on the Gulf of Mexico, and our water don't look like that. It's kind of dingy. Anyhow, my link is in my bio. Y'all stay strong, keep calm, lather on, and God bless.